Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and today we're going to talk about gold again. Quick scalp that I took during New York session, and at the time I took this trade, I was at my 9 to 5, okay? I was about to go out on my deliveries. I'm a delivery driver, so I was about to go out on my deliveries, and right before I left, I took this trade because it made sense to me, and I will explain to you guys everything I was looking at and everything that I saw. Okay, so right now, looking at the charts, right, we are on the 5 minute, and this I'll explain. We'll come back to the 5 minute, but I'll explain my entry candle and everything like that, right, or my trigger candle, my signal candle. But first, I want to go to the 4 hour and show you guys what I saw on the 4 hour. Okay, so as you can see in here, EMAs, right? 8 below 21, 8 is yellow, 21 is red, so the EMAs are in a downtrend, right? We're going down right now. This 4 hour candle right here, this one right here, it closed at 5 a.m. and you can see big rejection wick, right? And it closed below my daily level that I had drawn in there. And then again, if we go to the 1 hour, see heavy rejection off of this is a pivot area that I drew from based off the 5 minute, and I'll show you guys that too. But again, it rejected the area of interest, it rejected the EMAs, and again, this hourly candle had closed below, and this one is an 8 a.m. candle, okay? Closed below the daily level, right? And then everything's just making sense. 30-minute rejection, 30 engulfing right here. This is an engulfing candle, totally overtook the previous bullish candle, right? And again, closed below the daily level, meaning in my eyes we were going to go down. Okay, so now we are on the 5 minute chart. Sorry, gotta find the spot. Okay, so right now, looking at it, we are on the 5 minute chart, okay? And again, I'll show you where the areas came from. So this was a level of interest for me. There's a pivot area, higher high, right? So I just dragged it out all the way over to New York area, and you can see it came up, retested again, and rejected heavily. And then again, down here, the lower lows matched up with my daily level. So again, I just drew a little box, letting myself know that this is an area of interest. If price comes below and starts rejecting, we're looking for sales. Okay, and as you can see in here, I took this trade based off the 5 minute, and this is a rejection wick, right, on the higher time frames, and then the EMAs crossed over. And then in here we have a type 3 candle pattern, and here's my signal candle right here. Boom, this is the signal candle. Okay, so as you can see, that little red triangle, that was the signal candle, again closing on kind of below the daily level and area of interest, right, that pivot area. So again, what I had done based off of that, placed a sell stop a little below and waited to get triggered in, right? And I just put stop loss above my daily level at 20 pips, and all I did was go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, which was another 20 pips right there. That's all it was. Boom, boom, and just a quick scalp. So pretty much right after I got triggered in, the very next candle smashed for TP, right? Full take profit hit. And that's it. That was the one and done trade today, and that's everything I looked at to break down this trade for you guys. Looked at the 4 hour, heavy rejection, closing below the daily level. 1 hour, again, heavy rejection, closing below the daily level. And then just wait for it to happen again on the 5 minute, and then I got my signal and just went for a 1-to-1 and take profit was hit, right? All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna keep it short. Make sure you check out the description below if you want to learn this strategy, okay? And always use code Tony10 at checkout so you can get an extra 10% off at checkout, okay? So again, guys, please like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate all the support. Thank you, everyone.